Our smart conveyor solution demonstrates how Lenze approaches some of the current challenges for industries utilizing horizontal conveyors. Challenges we see are increasing demands for energy efficiency, functionality, and shorter project lead times. Our approach? Increased functionality and reduced costs. Stricter regulations, increasing energy costs, and social initiatives have resulted in a greater need for energy efficient solutions. The Lenze Smart Motor fulfills the strictest global energy efficiency requirements and includes an integrated eco mode, which optimizes energy efficiency in partial load operation. A trend toward defined start-stop ramps and other conveyor functionality has made soft starts and motor contactors insufficient. This has pushed many solutions to use VFDs, which offer far more functionality than is typically required for horizontal conveying. The Lenze Smart Motor is a mechatronic solution tailor-made for horizontal conveying, offering only the functions required and nothing more. In other words, the simplicity of a direct online motor with just enough functions of a VFD. This optimization not only increases the efficiency of the electronics by decreasing the controller load, but also reduces the complexity for commissioning. Here are a few key features of the Lenze Smart Motor. 4 times starting torque to handle high inertia and static friction without over-dimensioning the motor. Defined start and stop ramps for soft starting and soft stopping of the load. 5 selectable set speeds with options for reverse and zero speed. And speed selection or control with discrete digital I/O, which makes the smart motor essentially field bus independent. A 500 to 2600 RPM motor speed range covers a wider range of applications with a single part number. Commissioning with an Android device or PC takes place without any power to the unit by using NFC or near field communication technology. And an optional brake is pre-wired and automatically controlled by the electronics. Increasingly shorter project lead times have driven the need for reduced time and effort for planning, installation, and commissioning. Our smart conveyor solution addresses this with standardization, modularity, and reduced complexity. The smart motor's 4 times starting torque, wide speed range, and selectable speeds allow a reduction of variance by up to 70%. This standardization of components helps reduce the time and effort required for engineering, manufacturing, and service. Our standardized modular conveyor concept utilizes decentralized electronics, distributed fieldbus I/O and safety systems, and a modular power concept. This results in a significant reduction in cabinet size, as well as a standardized cabinet that can handle various numbers of conveyor segments without changes. This, of course, helps reduce the time and effort required for engineering, manufacturing, installation, and commissioning. Reduced complexity means less training and less time and mistakes during installation and commissioning, no matter how big the project is. Remember, the simplicity of a direct online motor with just enough VFD features. The Lenze Smart Motor has 20 parameters, with many applications only needing to adjust 8 or less. Click on connectors reduce installation time by removing the need for stripping and crimping wires. M12 connectors for I/O, paired with distributed fieldbus I/O blocks, simplify installation and integration into the system. For example, consider the Biel & Wiedemann Smart Motor I/O blocks, specifically designed for use with the Lenze Smart Motor, with space for additional sensors. They also offer solutions for several safety concepts. And of course, the pre-wired decentralized electronics remove the need for wiring the motor and installing expensive motor cable, as well as significantly reducing the required cabinet space. As you can see, our smart conveyor solution means less time and less cost, while offering more functionality and more flexibility. I'm happy to invite you to our follow-up session, where our electromechanical product manager, Chris Muscites, will walk you through using our smart conveyor calculator so you can see for yourself how much the Lenze solution can save you.